Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to rename your OneDrive folders to keep your digital files perfectly organized. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or updating your naming system, these simple steps will help you make the change quickly. Start by visiting the official Microsoft website. You must be logged into your Microsoft account to modify your OneDrive settings. On the homepage, find the Sign In button at the top right. Enter the email address linked to the specific OneDrive account you want to manage to prevent any errors. After typing your email, click Next and provide your password. Be precise, as passwords are case-sensitive. Hit Next again once you're done. You might be asked if you want to stay signed in. Select Yes on private devices to save time later, but choose No on shared computers for security. Now, look for the All Microsoft link at the top of the screen. Click it to open a menu where you can find and select OneDrive from the list of services. Once the OneDrive landing page loads, you may need to click Sign In once more using the same credentials for secure access. This brings you to your main dashboard, which acts as your digital filing system. To begin renaming, go to the My Files section to see a detailed list of your content. Locate the specific folder you wish to change and click the three-dot context menu icon next to it. Choose the Rename option from the list. Now, simply type in your preferred folder name and save the changes. Your folder will update immediately across every device synced to your account. That is the complete process for renaming OneDrive folders to streamline your digital life. Using clear naming conventions can significantly boost your productivity and help you find files faster. If you found this guide useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Stay organized, and I will see you in the next tutorial.